The program was really designed to output someone who's going to be industry ready to set up their own bakery, charcuterie, butchery, artisan craft shop. There's a critical niche there that wasn't being captured to make sure that both students and professionals out in the industry have the tools that they need to be able to produce these products, not only at a super high level of quality, but at a super high level of safety. Given that that training doesn't exist in Canada, we thought we'd build a room, build a space, and build a program. We have everything, like literally everything. All of our labs are designed with the student experience in mind. From fermentation cabinets that also double as cold smokers. They'll monitor the pH in the product as you're fermenting it. They won't allow the cabinet to go on to the next phase until the pH reaches your target. It'll then go through a very methodical drying phase. From there, we'll move the product into our curing room, which is temperature and humidity controlled. We have two spaces, one that is our molded space and one that we use more as an equalization room. We have a beautiful meat cutting room, so a refrigerated space that we can get 16 to 18 students in around a table. Buffalo choppers, a meat mixer, both manual and electric, a hydraulic sausage stuffer, really all sorts of very, very cool pieces of equipment, but also necessary pieces of equipment for this aspect of the industry. We've brought in some incredible industry experts to support with the development of all of the content. The pâtés and terrines course is going to be taught by a world championship competitive pâté en croûte master. So again, being able to make those pâtés and pies and terrines with exquisite beauty and flavor, that's something that you're not going to get anywhere else, and possibly in some European countries, but you're certainly not going to see it and do it in North America. You're going to learn, obviously, butchery, top to bottom, nose to tail. You're going to learn curing, both focusing on Italian cured meats as well as looking at the rest of the world. You're going to learn to brine meats correctly, to smoke hot and cold. You're going to learn to make cheese. You're going to learn artisanal breads, preserving and fermenting vegetables, distilling basic spirits and alcohols. You're going to learn plant design, advanced food safety regulations, marketing, branding. Yeah, you're going to learn a lot. Yeah, it's a big, big program. We're looking at the whole scope. So anything that you can imagine that you might have bought retail to put onto that charcuterie board, we're going to teach you to make it. It's going to be cool, like really cool.